Hi, I'm Tom Nunemaker with Aeromir Corporation. What you're looking at is the Phoenix strategy. It's an automated NinjaTrader strategy I built using the exact process I'm going to teach in the algo method. So this has NQ over 7 years of data, 67% win rate on 5-minute bars. It scored a perfect 100 out of 100 on the robustness scores, and it's running live on my prop firm accounts. I didn't buy it, I built it in a weekend, and I'm going to show you how to do the same thing. So to do this, to make this build happen, we have to get data. So I created a data exporter strategy for NinjaTrader that literally takes whatever's on your chart. This is a 5-minute chart of NQ going back to 2019. You click the button, within a few seconds you have your clean CSV data, and I have it exclude FOMC announcement days, trading holidays, and early close days, so my data is clean. So by the time it gets to Adaptrade Builder, it's got good data to work with. The next thing we'll do is we'll import that data, and then we'll set up all the parameters using AI to help us and let the genetic algorithms do their thing and build some strategies. And then we'll go through, review them, and we'll start throwing them out. And then if we don't like what we see, we'll just throw them all out, go back to AI, tweak some parameters, and rebuild it again, and just do this iterative process until we find something we like. Once we do find something we like, we get the code, the NinjaTrader 8 code exported from Adaptrade, and we create the strategy in NinjaTrader. Then we'll verify that the NinjaTrader performance is similar to the Adaptrade Builder performance. If it is, then we'll go to the next step to convert the unmanaged orders to managed orders. And I've got this kind of cheat sheet here. It says checklist really, but at the bottom, these are all the different things it changes from Adaptrade's AS order of handling to Aeromir. That's the class that I built. And literally you just paste your code in here, click the button, and it converts it all. And then there are some manual steps, but you can give all these instructions to AI and have it do the final conversions, and then you have your managed order version of NinjaTrader. And the managed orders are important because it's the more modern way NinjaTrader uses to handle orders. It's all built in, it works really well. And once you have that, you compile it, rerun the performance, and check the performance hasn't changed much from the unmanaged order / Adaptrade version. And if you do, now you're golden. Now you can export the trade data and run it in my robustness testers to make sure that it's a good solid strategy, that it has it's a good equity curve, it's not curve fit, it's stable, it has Monte Carlo tests to pass, it has risk of ruin, E ratio, all the tests that I run. Once you have that exported trade data plus the market data from your data exporter, you can validate any strategy. And all this stuff is part of the course. But basically, if you start in the morning, by the afternoon, you'll have all the tools and understand how to use them. Adaptrade has a 30-day trial, and if you get on his list, he'll give you $100 off. So if you like it, then you can use it for 30 days and try and build something that makes money, and should do that easily within 30 days. Like I said, I built Phoenix in 1 or 2 days. So that's the class. It does start on the Saturday, the 4th of April. I do have an early bird special, save $150 before the end of March. The price will be $7.99 later, but for now, the early bird is $6.49. And you can see it includes the data exporter tool. If you click on here, you go to that tool to see more about that. And then this is that converter class I told you about. And then that's the checklist, the web tool I showed you. And then you will get access to the Aeromir auto traders for a month, which includes Phoenix and all the legacy auto traders. So you should be able to make some money trading while you're learning how to do this, which should pay for the class. And it's a 1-day workshop. We'll have Q&A, lifetime access, and it's got basically everything you need from start to finish to get automated strategies going that you make. And you can pick your own symbols, time frames, indicators, whatever you want to use. It's your strategy, and you don't have to share it with anybody. And you can properly answer the question, is this worth trading? And is this worth putting my prop firm or my loan live account money on? So with that, the class, there's a schedule down at the bottom. It starts Saturday, April 4th at 10 a.m. Eastern, and I hope to see you in the class. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.